I see a lot of people, a lot of homeless people, people out of work, people begging sometimes, people sleeping on the streets, things like that.
We need to do a lot more in New York City. I mean, it's very clear both through the number of homeless adults in shelters and those on the streets. Homelessness is on the rise, particularly among single adults. We need resources targeted to folks who are in those circumstances.
So the community navigators are trained in interacting with people who have some mental illness, who may have substance abuse challenges, and our goal is to form relationships with them so that we can get to the root cause of their problem, so that we can solve those problems and return them to productive members of society.